Hello, friends. Market is still in a dilemma where it want to go. If you see overall, no, there is no lot of volatility in the market, and of course, the reason is FII is on vacation. Okay, because the Christmas is there. Merry Christmas in advance, guys. Tomorrow, the Christmas is there, and that's why FII activity is very less, and that is why as such good thing is that selling pressure is not coming because if FI is there normally the selling pressure is coming. So now this time the FI is not there, so you can see there is a stable market. It's not going up also, it's not going down also. On today I think 30.50 was down, but I think the main thing we have to see, this week, tomorrow is the holiday, Thursday, Friday. I think from Monday onwards when the FIIs are back, that is where we have to see what will be the market volatility. Overall, we are not out of the woods. Still FI selling pressure is there every time. As in when we go up again, there is always a selling pressure. So कह नहीं सकते क्या होने वाला है. Of course, from the first week of January, when the result starts coming pouring in, and that is when we'll get some direction from here where to go. And today we are going to talk about one sector before I go towards the market again, about jewelry business, how I feel about the jewelry business. Yesterday we spoken about the real estate sector, so we'll talk about jewelry business in detail, why it is going up, and now what I think about the jewelry business. Okay, so talking again about the market, guys, there are some of the sector which is doing well, like IT, banking. Slowly and gradually it may come up, but overall things are very cold across the board. And no, everyone is waiting for some triggers, but currently there is no trigger as such coming. And that is the problem with this market now, where the activity level is low. And of course it's a year end, no, that is why that type of festival mood is there, everyone to enjoy. So good thing, as in sometimes you feel okay, relax here, apne aap 1st of January will take it onwards from here. Correct. So this is the current situation of the market. Nothing changed as such, so I don't want to spend more time on that. Now let me talk about the jewelry business. Now jewelry business, guys, jewelry stocks had done phenomenally well in last 1.5 years. Most of the jewelry business has given, stocks has given a great return, more than 25 to 30% return. The reason are many. First of all, the gold prices, the way it has gone up. I think in last 2 years, gold prices actually outperform our market also, and that is why now one type of alternate asset everyone wants to have, that is a no, gold. And in a way they are going for a jewelry, and you can see that the main thing is because of that hallmarking and lot of government initiatives. No, now much more. You can say that the things are going towards the organized market than the unorganized market. Earlier whenever there used to be a festival, और चलो marriages भी होता है या कुछ भी होता है, people used to go to unorganized market also. But now everyone won't feel that, okay, if I'm spending 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakhs or 5 lakh for the marriage jewelry, why I will not go to a good jewelers and buy at a no, because yeah, it may happen the price may vary, the making charges and all that may vary, but they want a certainty that purity of gold is there, hallmarking is there, because that the government has made compulsory. And that is what is helping Titan, you can say Kalyan Jewelers, Sky Gold or Senko Gold, and so many are there, which are getting a lot of benefit out of this. And this this thing may go on, this thing may go on, because at the end of the day, guys, from the unorganized to organized sector, there always be a drive. And that is why this all these jewelry stocks are doing extremely well. Of course now they are well managed also. पहले बहुत बातें रहती थी कि यार क्या unorganized है, something illegal happening and all that. PC jewelers, you know what happened earlier. Now that this type of thing is not happening, especially some of the stock like Kalyan or Sang jewelers and all that. Sky Gold is also now moving very fast. Titan, of course, is one of the biggest multi-bagger in last 20 years, because as the people start going from unorganized to organized, there are few people, okay, that the competition is there, but ऐसे भी competition नहीं है, and that is where some of the players are stand out. So that thing you have to keep in mind. Again, guys, there are many other reasons also why thing is happening. Of course, the gold as an investment is coming up. Gold, because the way the gold has performed, sorry, yes, the way the gold has performed in last 2 and a half years, 2 years now, everyone is thinking, boss, you cannot ignore gold. All these geopolitical crisis and all that going on, everyone wants a part of the assets, part at the gold. So it's like a hedge to the total, you can say, portfolio. So yes, that is a thing. Again, digitization, and no, now people are ordering online also. खास करके यंग पीपल होते हैं ना, जिनको अलग से डिजाइन चाहिए, दे वांट अ सिंपल बट अ यूनिक डिजाइन, ऑल दैट. And that is when the online gold jewelry buying is also picking up a lot. Okay, of course the government is giving lot of initiatives, like the last time the import duty was cut, which was also one of the trigger why the suddenly the stock price of the most of the jewelry business started going on. So these are some of the positive happening, like online digitization, unorganized to organize, gold as an alternate asset coming into picture. गोल्ड वाज ऑलवेज एन अल्टरनेट एसेट, बट इनिशियली ऐसी बात चल रही थी कि भाई हाँ भाई सब लोग मार्केट में ही डालो, लेकिन अभी they want to invest in this type of asset. And of course, like so in a gold bonds, and also that, of course, that is not a part of jewelry business, but yes, gold as an alternate asset is picking up, and government is also supporting indirectly. If you see last 1.5 2 years, the way the gold prices has gone up, so many households are having gold in India. So indirectly उनका भी पैसे काफी बड़े हैं, correct. However, some of the challenges they will face in future is that there are a lot of volatility in the gold prices. So or the jewelry business and all that, whenever there is a volatility, they know they should have a proper hedging and all that. And that may happen again, dependence on the gold import. The good thing is that now the gold import duty has been reduced, so that will help the jewelry business. But yes, that is also that we do import lot of gold. Again, compliance costs and all the regulatory costs is high. As you go from unorganized to organized, as a player, no, there always a competition is there. Again, there is always an fourth is there, no, always a competition from imitation jewelry, or you can say that substitute of a gold jewelry, correct, imitation jewelry. So वो भी pick up हो रहा है, but that's a part and parcel. Even lab diamond is also grown, lab grown diamond is also having a great demand. And that is also, and that is why you can see in Surat there is a big problem where they were supplying real demand. अभी वहाँ problem आ गई, because lab grown diamond is uh, getting very you can say ना attraction. First of all, उसकी पॉलिश भी वैसे ही होती है जो रियल डायमंड होता है, सस्ता होता है. इट्स अ लैब ग्रोन. सो दैट इज वेयर आल्सो थिंग्स आर लाइक टाइटन इज हैविंग अ वेरी बिग डिपेंडमेंट ऑन लैब ग्रोन डायमंड. And that is where also demand is coming. Again, the rural areas, lot many jewelry shops are not there, so organized player has a chance, to go to a rural area and know there they sell that, because in rural area still the gold is there, a lot of gold is there. And that is what is no will help the jewelry business, to go at a low, because see all these organized players still there in the big city, they are not there in the smaller cities and towns. And if they able to go there, believe me, there also demand is going to come. Okay, again, the as the per capita income is going, disposable income coming, so people want to have some alternate asset, and that is where this is coming into picture. Okay, again, the global market expansion, now all these who have which companies in India, no, Jellibis, they are top notch companies. Okay, they have the design which India have, rarely any other countries have. And that is where they can have a very export business across the world. Again, technology advancement and no sustainable trend may be there for the next few years, as and when the gold will always be in demand. So there are a lot many positive uh, will be there. But no, at the end of the day, one has to see the valuation, and based on that, no, it has to take a decision. So what we'll do, we'll just see the no in screener how the companies are stacked up, and accordingly, I'll try to tell you what to do from here. So talking about that, no, let me share the screen here. So sharing the screen, just a minute. So you can see I'm talking about the Kalyan. Now you can see the problem which all these companies have, no, like if you take Kalyan 118p, The market is 40p. Even Titan is having 92p. Okay, PC Jeweler का तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही है, but other also like Sky Gold 75, even PN also 61. So they have a very very high valuation currently. Yes, you can say that their profitability growth and all that, no, is good. If you see the Titan profit growth 53% in last 3 years. Kalyan Jewellers 366% growth in last 3 years. PN also good, even the Senco Gold. So ऐसा नहीं है कि इनका ग्रोथ नहीं, ग्रोथ बहुत ही हो रहा है, लेकिन इनका प्रॉब्लम यही है कि वैल्यूएशन भी अच्छा खासा है. इवन यू कैन सी ROE, ROC is also at a good level. So basically one has to keep in mind all these factors, no, before investing in a stock. के ये सस्ते भी नहीं है, but if you ask me whether this is the time to invest in the all these stocks, well, one of the reason which I always feel about this gold business is not jewelry business is that things are in a much better shape now compared to earlier, and mainly as it is going towards the organized market, no, all these companies will be benefiting a lot. One should not ignore this. Honestly, this is the sector one has to look at it. एंड आई नो आप लोग बोलेगे यार तपन बहुत स्टॉक प्राइस बढ़ गए यार, बहुत ही जबरदस्त रिटर्न ऑलरेडी इनके दे दिए है, तो क्या यहाँ से बढ़ेंगे? से इट्स अ trend you have to keep in mind. Okay, if I see the last 1 year return is mostly 100, 200%, 300% return of most of this company, and this shows that they already deliver. But ऐसा नहीं है ना कि यहाँ से भी डिलीवर नहीं कर सकते. Again, not a recommendation, just telling you about no things what is working for the jewelry business. You should think about it. Of course, you do your own research and then invest. If you want to know which are the company we have suggested, you can go to our stock recommendation services, guys. Our website link is given there. Everything is mentioned there. Do enroll for it. And guys, all these thing is the trend. You have to check it, and when the trend is in your favor, that may give you a much better result and much greater return. So keep this in mind. No, if you want to really invest any of this company, nothing wrong in these companies. Okay, just you have to see the valuation at what level you are getting it. So that is what I want to tell you. Hope you like this video, guys. I want to keep this video short. Do like it and share it to everyone. And if you have any question related to any of the stock, put it in the chat box. I'll do answer that. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. I'll see you soon tomorrow.